Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how you can make calls using the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 smartwatch. I'm going to show you while connected on the phone how you can use it to save contacts, also make calls or read messages, such things. So let's go ahead. We have to first unlock it. So once you unlock it, what you need to do is only to click on this arrow button to go into the menu. Once you're in the menu, you can scroll and navigate around. You find the app which you want to use. But first, today we are focusing on how to save contacts and how to call like that. So let's go ahead and show you how you can call. Once you reach here, you can put any contact, then you call anyone you want. Yes, like that. So let's go ahead and you put the contact. So once you finish, you can dial like this. It will automatically call the person, then you talk via this. As you can hear, hello. You see, unfortunately the number is not available, but when the number is on, you can see. Yeah, that's how you can make call using this one. Then another stuff which you can do, you can also click on the contacts, then you search from here the contacts, or if you want to add any contacts and you don't have your phone, you can go ahead and click on this button, then you put the contact of any person whom you want. As you can see, yeah, phone, or then you save. Yeah, that's how you can do it. Then to reply the texts, you can just go ahead and click here, scroll on this side, then you can read the text, then you click on it. Once you scroll down, you can select here the option which you want to type or to reply the message. Once you click here, that means you want to open on the phone or to show on the phone. You can to reply with quick replies. You can scroll down here. You use these scrolls, these templates. You can use them to reply, or if you want, you can also edit the responses. You put your own responses like that. You can type also like that. Yeah. So that's the way how you can reply or reply any text. As you can see, this watch, it has a very loud speaker from here. Then it also has a microphone on this side. This is a microphone. Yeah, that is the way you can use this watch. Then yeah, that's it. If you have any comments or any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. Yeah, catch you in the next one.